Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about MetaMask crypto wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, MetaMask is one of the most popular Ethereum-based wallets. Initially designed for interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, directly from your browser. It is available as both a browser extension and a mobile app, making it versatile for users who need flexibility across devices. MetaMask excels in its simplicity and accessibility. It's perfect for beginners who want an intuitive way to manage their Ethereum assets, including ERC20 tokens and NFTs. With MetaMask, you can easily create a new wallet, import existing ones, and securely store your private keys. The interface is straightforward, making it easy to send and receive cryptocurrency, swap tokens, and interact with a wide range of dApps without needing to be tech-savvy. Security is another key feature of MetaMask. It gives you complete control over your private keys. These keys are stored locally on your device and never shared with MetaMask servers, reducing the risk of centralized breaches. However, this also means the security of your wallet is entirely your responsibility. Ensure you back up your seed phrase securely because if you lose it, you lose access to your wallet permanently. MetaMask also supports hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, adding an extra layer of protection by keeping your keys offline. One of MetaMask's standout features is its built-in token swap function, which allows you to trade tokens directly within the wallet at competitive rates by aggregating liquidity from multiple decentralized exchanges. This feature saves you time and reduces the complexity of using third-party exchanges. MetaMask was made for users who want a reliable, easy-to-use wallet for interacting with the Ethereum ecosystem. But it's not without its downsides. High gas fees during peak network times can be a turn-off, and as an online wallet, it's more susceptible to phishing attacks compared to hardware wallets. So, always double-check the sites you connect your MetaMask to. In conclusion, MetaMask is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users who are looking to manage their crypto assets and engage with dApps. It offers a reliable and user-friendly experience for interacting with the Ethereum ecosystem. But it's important to remember that, with great power comes great responsibility. You must ensure your wallet is secure, and always be aware of the risks associated with online wallets. So that's basically all about MetaMask crypto wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.